Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate truffles with heavy cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of good quality chocolate, finely chopped, and 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and any flavorings you desire, like vanilla extract or a liqueur. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable for delicious results. Now, let's create the rich ganache. Gently heat your 1/2 cup of heavy cream in a saucepan until it just begins to simmer around the edges. Do not boil it. Pour this hot cream directly over your finely chopped chocolate in a heatproof bowl. Let it sit undisturbed for 5 minutes, allowing the heat to melt the chocolate perfectly. Then, stir gently until it's completely smooth and beautifully glossy. Once your ganache is smooth, it's time to chill it. Cover the bowl and place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or until it's firm enough to handle. When ready, use a small scoop or 1 teaspoon to portion out the ganache. Quickly roll each portion between your palms to form a neat ball. Work swiftly to prevent the truffles from melting from the warmth of your hands. The final step is to coat and decorate your homemade truffles. You can roll them in unsweetened cocoa powder, finely chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or colorful sprinkles. Get creative with your toppings. Once coated, place your beautiful truffles on a sheet of parchment paper to allow them to set completely. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for optimal freshness and enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.